Today on Scumbag Labs, we test wheels made out of wood.
Your favorite scumbags are back at Irwindale Speedway for another wooden wheels test. Last time we did wooden wheels, it was on Brad's favorite F2. I think we did fourth gear burnouts in that bad boy.
Oh, yeah.
But this time we got an Audi 200 all-wheel drive 5-cylinder turbo with 4 wooden wheels. Brad, would you like to tell us how you managed to make 4 wooden wheels and what looks like you have bead locks, but there's no bead, so...
Yeah, so, down at Hoonigan, we now are specializing. These are the 621 series wheels.
Oh!
Yes, and they come with the optional beadlock package in 24-inch diameter.
Oh!
So, now they are 24 by 4. They do offer quite the grip and sliding ability for all you FD pros.
Huh?
Now, you will have to make special orders because we are back ordered months behind.
Are these going to explode on us?
Allegedly.
Lab coat Brad!
Welcome back to Scumbag Labs. Tires. Do they matter? Doesn't seem so to us. We're killing them off all the time. But what if we replace tires with wood? How much does it really affect your precision driving? So we're gonna put our finest jabronis through our scientific obstacle course. Will wood work well? Will wood work terribly? Could a woodchuck could chuck wood? Maybe it's gonna smell like the Home Depot lumber section. I hope so. Love that smell. Either way, we're gonna see if this should be a gadget in the Grand Tour game. There's only one way to find out. That's at Irwindale Speedway.
Predictions.
I'm crashing. My prediction is you were supposed to be driving and you just suckered Zach into it again.
No.
How do you do
I want
every time?
No, I want everyone to get a little piece. So Zach is going to handle the start and stop box. Since Dan is the most precise driver here, we got him on the proximity point.
Yes, all right.
And your boy's going to smash the donut box.
Yes! If we make it to proximity.
Yeah. So start and stop first, donut box second, proximity third. And if all goes well, then we'll just let Brad finish the wheels off.
Yes!
First things first, we got to get a couple control laps in. So we're gonna throw some OG wheels and tires on this. We're gonna go through all the tests, see what it does, and then we're gonna start smashing.
Smash!
Where do I stop? Those flags?
Yeah, those flags. So you're gonna go full send from this here start to those cones.
Sweet.
Lock them full up.
Sounds good.
These are good tires. You're gonna be fine. All right, so Zach is hopping in there for his first test of the control. I think it's gonna stop really well.
Yeah!
That's a pretty good stop.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, we know that stops.
This thing stops pretty quick.
Next?
Next!
Oh, it's me.
Donut man.
With you.
Let me grab my helmet.
There goes the headlight.
That's what we're talking about. First try.
Like I said, this car doesn't with tires. We need wooden wheels.
You are a wonder.
I had to prove a point. We need wooden wheels.
All right, so Dan's about to do his dry runs now for the proximity.
Full send.
Full send.
Full send. So Dan basically thinks speed is the answer, which makes sense. Go fast, weight transfer, send it. Gah!
Solid. That was it.
Nicely done, sir.
Yeah, that's proximity.
Yeah.
You definitely got the proximity. All right, let's get some wooden wheels on this bitch.
Yeah.
It's time. Wood wheel test. Zach's gonna send it.
To the wall! Yes! Yo, it actually picked up mad speed.
You know how scared he is right now?
Yeah.
Oh! Listen to the flat spot.
You put a flat spot on her, no?
It smells really good. That flat spot. Let me round that out real quick. Look out, man.
No. Pretty fun.
Let me get my helmet.
Hey, man. Solid commitment.
Are you got a campfire going on here, buddy?
How does it feel?
Real shaky right out of the gate. Brakes non-existent.
Can't believe how fast it went. Once you hit third gear, it was just like, shoot.
All right, hurry, send her.
Now you pumped?
Oh yeah, we're doing donuts.
Your prediction just changed.
We're doing donuts today, boy.
All right, you ready?
Be ready to run. Yeah, she's on the roller.
Hey, the brakes work.
I'm covered in sawdust.
Bring a spare tire, please.
Wait, I thought you said this is the only set of 621s.
Oh, I might have one extra.
Oh, okay,
You know,
okay.
you have to be able to find a spare.
For this purpose here. Yo, that was solid commitment.
That was second gear.
That was
I had to
terrifying.
put it in second gear for it to have
You
traction.
see us all running like scared
Yeah,
deer?
I was scared too. I thought I saw something big fly off.
Yeah, part of the bead lock came off.
Oh my
It
goodness.
was amazing. Come on out, man. You've done your job.
Hey Dan, what are we about to test?
Well, we're about to test proximity on wooden wheels, and I don't believe it's going to work at all.
I think it's gonna work great.
I'm
believe in you.
I'm really hoping. I think it's gonna be fun regardless.
Hell yeah.
Definitely fun.
All right, let's count them down.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yo!
Oh, look at the wheel. It's over the 2 wheels.
2!
Both sides. Oh!
Yeah! Yo, Dan just slumped the Audi.
I thought he had it, man. Dan, I thought you had it. I thought you had
If it would
it.
have stayed intact, I
It
had
looks
it.
so good.
I had that initiation
You
felt
scared
good.
the shit out of us with
Yeah.
the flick, and then it came around perfectly.
You have to throw the flick. I wish I would have got more speed
What
now.
did
I
that
would have been
feel
so much
like?
closer to the wall.
Hey.
It felt really weird.
Major Dan. Woo!
We put a lot of carnage in this corner, I'll tell you right now.
I don't even understand this mechanism. Oh, okay, the spacers.
Those are your spacers too, by the way.
Hey, thanks guys. Appreciate it. Dan's run actually looked quite exquisite up until the wheels fell off.
The wheels fell off. Everything was there until the wheels fell
Did
off.
it feel
felt
more fun?
Great. It was way more fun.
Yeah, way more fun with wooden wheels.
It actually had a better initiation into a slide than it did with the others, and it felt perfect until the wheels fell off.
This car's not dead, so we'll definitely be back with more wooden wheels test at some point. But for now, I think that's a solid confirmed.
So on that note, 3, 2, 1, that's it!
Took a couple geniuses to find that out. Anyway, let us know if this should be the next gadget in the Grand Tour game. Turn your wheels into wood in the middle of a heated race. Be interesting to see. Also, join us on Mondays on Twitch, where we put some of these scientific lab rats together on Scumbag Fabs. Join Brad and a Sawzall and a whole lot of danger to see what the next scientific vehicle is going to be.